Pick a level per criterion. The rubric does the arithmetic. Classes, your class, gradebook. On the assignment, set the rubric field. The default is no rubric. Type a score. Pick yours instead. Now the assignment shows score rubric instead of enter grades. Click it. Tap one level per row, note anything worth saying, and arrow through the roster. Save marks. The rubric scales the total onto the assignment's max points. The grid shows the result, and families see exactly how it was earned.